Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we disable aeroplane mode setting in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to disable your aeroplane mode setting in your Poco phone. So how can you disable? How can you remove this aeroplane mode icon on your screen guys you have? So how can you disable this icon? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys you can see this type of setting friends. Click on guys your connection and sharing option guys, tap here. Then guys you can see this airplane mode setting and red says icon guys, this blue icon you can see on your screen. So you will have to tap, then guys your airplane mode icon will remove on your screen and airplane mode option will or disable in our Poco phone. So like that guys you can disable, and guys you can use guys your mobile data setting and calling setting without any problem in your Poco mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. And when you have any doubt related to guys your Poco phone setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.